Hello guys, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to log into Netflix. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. In order to log into Netflix, you need to go to your web browser and type netflix.com and hit enter. Now click on sign in button, which is at the top right corner of the website. Enter your email and password and click on sign in button. Now you are logged in on Netflix. So, this is how you log into Netflix. Netflix is the world's leading premium media streaming platform, operating in nearly every country in the world. It was one of the first players in the streaming industry when it transitioned in 2007, and the bet has paid off with hundreds of millions of subscribers worldwide. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.